Hi, everyone. Today, I want to introduce you to one of the most innovative and scalable blockchain projects in the crypto world, BlockDAG. So, what exactly is BlockDAG? BlockDAG is not just another blockchain. It's a next-generation decentralized network based on directed acyclic graph, or DAG, technology. Unlike traditional blockchains where each block is mined one after another, BlockDAG allows multiple blocks to be created and linked at the same time, creating a structure that is faster, more efficient, and highly scalable. Why does this matter? Traditional blockchains often face issues like network congestion, high gas fees, and slow confirmation times. BlockDAG's approach solves all these by supporting parallel processing of transactions, which means more transactions per second and reduced delays. It's a game changer for real-world applications that need both speed and security. Let's talk about the BlockDAG testnet. Recently, BlockDAG launched its public testnet to let users experience its power firsthand. You can easily set up a node using Docker and a simple shell script from their official GitHub. Once you're connected, you're helping test and grow the network, and even earning rewards in the process. What can BlockDAG be used for? BlockDAG's architecture makes it ideal for a wide range of applications: DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, IoT networks, supply chains, smart cities. Anything that needs high throughput, low latency, and strong decentralization can benefit from BlockDAG. And the community? BlockDAG is growing fast. They're actively rewarding early contributors, including node operators, content creators, developers, and writers, with points that could convert into future tokens or benefits. It's a rare chance to get involved with a project in its early stages. Final thoughts. If you're looking for a future-proof, scalable alternative to legacy blockchains, BlockDAG is worth exploring. Join the testnet, follow the updates on GitHub, and become part of the decentralized future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and keep exploring BlockDAG.